common hardwired security system typically includes several key components. Firstly, there's the control panel, which serves as the central brain of the system. It monitors and controls all the connected devices. Secondly, the keypad, which provides a user interface for arming, disarming, and accessing the system settings. Door and window magnets are also essential. These magnetic sensors detect when a door or window is opened. Glass breakage sensors detect the sound of breaking glass and trigger an alarm. Panic buttons are manual activation devices that trigger an alarm immediately. Finally, motion sensors detect movement and trigger an alarm. For cabling requirements, door and window magnets typically require 18-gauge 2-conductor cable. Glass breakage sensors also typically require 18-gauge 2-conductor cable. Panic buttons, like the door and window magnets and glass breakage sensors, usually need 18-gauge 2-conductor cable. Motion sensors often require shielded 18-gauge 2-conductor cable to minimize interference. For a 1,700 square foot ranch house, a recommended system size might include a 6 to 8 zone control panel, 1 keypad, 12 to 16 door or window magnets, 4 to 6 glass breakage sensors, 2 to 3 panic buttons, and 4 to 6 motion sensors. You can purchase hardwired security systems online from various retailers such as Amazon, Walmart, and Home Depot. Additionally, dedicated security system distributors like ADI Global Distribution, Annixter, and Security Wholesale Direct are excellent resources. When selecting a hardwired security system, consider a few important tips. Firstly, choose a system that is compatible with the size and layout of your home. Secondly, consider additional features such as remote monitoring, smart home integration, and siren volume. Thirdly, if you lack experience with electrical wiring, seek professional installation to ensure the system is installed correctly and safely. And finally, contact your insurance provider to inquire about potential discounts for having a security system installed.